In this video, we want to explain VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and lookup and the difference between them. So we'll start by taking very simple examples, and then as we go through the weeks, we'll elaborate. So I've got code, and I've got A, B, and C, and I've got here meaning. So if I say A means okay, B means not okay, and C means get a life. Okay, so we've got code A, B, C, and we've got the meaning. Now, and I've got a list here of codes A, B, C, A, and I've got next to it their meanings. Now, if I'm not using a lookup function, what do? I look here, A, and then I go to here. This is the table or where I look up for the information. And I say, okay, A means okay, so I write here okay. Then I go down and I look like this and this. This is very monotonous. So what do? Since the headings are by column, therefore it is VLOOKUP. So I double click on VLOOKUP. Now, what are you looking for? I am looking for the meaning through the code. And there's a rule. Whatever you're going to use to look up whatever you're going to use has to be found in the first column of the VLOOKUP. So you're using the code to get using the code to get the meaning. Therefore, the code must be in the first column. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say lookup. The lookup value has to be common with whatever is found in the first column of the table array. So what is the lookup value? A, which is I'm using the code to look up the meaning, and whatever I choose in the table array has to be common with the lookup value. Now, if I copy and paste, this has to be what? It has to be constant. It shouldn't change. Therefore, I'm going to lock it, which is simply F4. Now, in this table array that consists of two columns, which column do you want? 2. Now, the golden rules tells you what? You're looking for an A, and you're using the A to look for the A. It is the exact value. If it's the exact value, you write false, or you write 0. Okay? All right. If this table array, I transpose it, here what happens? The headings are no longer by column, they are now by row. Here, which function do I use? I use HLOOKUP. So I'm going to say fx HLOOKUP. Now, what is my table array? It is over there, and it's locked. Now, what do I want? I want the meaning through the code. So the lookup array has to be code. Its values should be common with what is found in the first row. Now, what do I want? I want the meaning which is found in row 2. Now, an exact match, 0. Okay. As we said earlier, that the code has to, if we're talking about VLOOKUP, the code has to be found where? It has to be found in the first. The code has to be found where? It has to be found in the first column of the table array. Okay, if it's in the second column, not the first column, can I use VLOOKUP? No. So what can you use as an alternative? For now, we're going to use lookup. So you're going to say fx, and then you're going to go to lookup. I'm going to choose the first option. Now, always start with the lookup the lookup value. What are you looking for? I'm looking for the A. The lookup vector, it is the column that contains the code A, which is the code. And it's locked because when I copy and paste, it's not supposed to change. The result vector, what do I want? I want the meaning, which is F4. Okay, and then you replicate. Thank you for listening.